1.4.3, we're asked to simplify negative 64 divided by negative 96. And we'll go about this in a fashion that similar to what we've done in the past, where we'll find the prime factorizations for both 64 and 96. And we'll do that by creating our prime factorization trees. 64 is 8 times 8, and that's one way to express 64. And 8 is 2 times 4. But these 4s are 2 times 2. In other words, 64 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 6 of these 2's. 2 to the 6th power. We can do something similar for 96. One way you could simplify 96 is to notice that it's an even number. Well, to notice that it's a multiple of 3. Specifically, 3 times 32 is equal to 96. And then 32 is 8 times 4. And 8 is 4 times 2. This 4 is 2 times 2, just like this 4 is 2 times 2. So down at the bottom of our tree, we get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That is, we get 5 of these 2's, 2 to the 5th power. And 1, 3. And now that we have all this information, we can simplify negative 64 divided by negative 96 by recognizing that's just the negative of the prime factorization of 64, which we found above, divided by the negative of the prime factorization of 96. And now we can go through the kind of satisfying step of canceling stuff out. We have this 2 and this 2, 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 this 2 and this 2. All we're left with is negative 2 divided by negative 3. And then you may remember from a previous section, our arithmetic section, that a negative divided by a negative is a positive. In other words, we can write negative 2 divided by negative 3 as just 2/3. And 2/3 will be our final answer here. In other words, negative 64 divided by negative 96, that fraction simplifies to just 2/3.